Yeah. Paper route business. It's dog. All of my niggas, they trapping. All of my niggas, they working. All of my niggas, they serving. Pour up the drink, I'm thirsty. All of my niggas, they trapping. All of my niggas, they working. All of my niggas, they serving. Pour up the drink, I'm thirsty. My back against the wall, me against the world. All eyes on me, I keep that iron with me. R.I.P. to Dopey. My back against the wall, me against the world. My back against the wall. Me against the world.
You can see this, but what we're looking at, I mean, just from a meteorological standpoint, that looks like a tornado.
Confirmed tornadoes in Miramar, Florida, and we now have some extreme.
All of my niggas, they trapping. All of my niggas, they working. All of my niggas, they serving. Pour up the drink, I'm thirsty. All of my niggas, they trapping. All of my niggas, they working. All of my niggas, they serving. Pour up the drink, I'm thirsty. My back against the wall, me against the world. All eyes on me, I keep that iron with me. R.I.P. to Dopey. My back against the wall, me against the world. My back against the wall, me against the world. I'm swerving, I'm speeding, I'm serving, I'm coning. You want it, I got it. I'm pulling up with it, come get it. I pull up and count that paper, then I dip. With nothing less than a 40 on my hip. Got 30 bitches and 30 bullets in my clip. I fled the scene, burning rubber, now I'm gone. My niggas just got out the pen, now they back home. Free my dog. I had to get rid of my bitch cause she didn't listen. Damn. The fuck you think that make you if you hang with snitches? Wanted some new bling on my wrist, so I spent 50. Bling. Gave my barber an extra tip just to have me extra crispy. You dig?
Paper out
all of my niggas, they trapping. All of my niggas, they working. All of my niggas, they serving. Drink, I'm thirsty. All of my niggas, they trapping. All of my niggas, they working. All of my niggas, they serving. Throw up the drink, I'm thirsty. My back against the wall, me against the world. All eyes on me, I keep that iron with me. R.I.P. to Dopey. My back against the wall, me against the world. My back against the wall, me against the world.
Hopefully that doesn't end up floating away in someone's yard. There goes everything I built. Hope to God this shit doesn't get destroyed. Come on, y'all, we gotta go. Come on. Chicken coop's solid. Oh, the dog's still there. Yes. Chicken coop survived. But the tiny house, I moved it, so we just gotta clean up. Yeah, it's not that bad.
Oh my God, I just lifted it up and drove it into that pole.
outside, but
Yeah.
scattered.
So it's a notice on the door. The neighbors been noticed, so what I'm a front for? Using pennies for the bus, like what I'm a stunt for. Mama working like a dog, but we still broke. We lighting candles in the house, cause the lights off. The best thing that ever happened, I got kicked out. Bought me a Chevy, got a grill, now I'm gold mouth. I lost my daddy last year, I couldn't even cry. Cause it's so hard to shed a tear, he didn't even try. The only person in the world I could fully trust was my older brother Vic, that's just how it was. Top in the trunk, this for bankroll and slam dunk. I miss that girl Beasley, she was a real one. I had an artist that I treated like my own son. Gave him the shirt off my back and my own gun. R.I.P. the shouting low, Mr. Dun. It's been raining so long when the sun coming. I'm drop top, but put the top up when the storm coming. Sometimes
You got gas?
I think about my past and then start tripping.
What is that, for boats?
With a nigga got a life sentence. They gave my nigga grand life, he on the game room. 5 years later, how we in the same room? You go to jail, that's when you see who really love you. I don't think nobody love me like my auntie Jean do. I repeat, my auntie Jean and Uncle Goat too. How you gon' judge me? You don't know what I've been through. I think these killers need a hug, I need a hug too. You send a slug, I send a slug, you know how thugs do. But I forgive, I've been forgiven, I hold grudges too. I'm just a work in progress, I'm not even through.
We're gonna put it here. We're gonna put it here so I can put the gazebo here and then have like a little thing going to it. Yeah, so little by little. And the ducks. All right, okay. What's up, y'all? Say hello. So what's up, y'all? The only survivors, the strongest. Nugget, Bean. They didn't even start recording yet.
Well, we got the root out of the way, and we wouldn't have done that if I didn't get in there. So.
That shit's on there.
Stop talking with the country accent, because then I'm going to start doing it.
I can't stop, baby. It's part of who I am.
Forward a little bit, and then back this way a little bit more. Perfect. Straight back. Good. You good?
You gotta do that. It's gonna all fall off.
It's a lot of weight.
Yeah.
There you go.
Ow, what the fuck is this? Oh, that's a mosquito. That one hurt.
Yeah, you're gonna get it up.
They're like
that.
spiders out here, bro. They
They're
fly.
like spiders.
You better keep the country, baby. There ain't no better way but to keep the country. That's all I do.
Oh my fuck. After it comes up, how are we getting it on the trailer?
By sheer fucking willpower. We're gonna will that shit up on there.
Alright.
All
I
right.
guess so. How are we getting it on the trailer?
Fucking hamstring. Stucker. Your fucking wheel's stucker. I'm getting winded.
Listen, I was in there.
Alright, I'm gonna go slow, okay?
We'll watch the...
Yeah.
Don't
Yeah.
hold on to it.
Nah. This is how to get a jet ski out of a tight situation. 101. It's try one too.
Hopefully it'll only take one shot.
Yeah, we'll
Let's
see.
go. Wait.
I'm gonna be using my man voice, alright?
I'm gonna go slow.
You better be listening.
Look, it's already doing kind of an incline with just my weight. We can kind of push it down.
Sandy, keep going.
It's working. Push. Oh yeah.
Keep going. Keep going.
So I will be putting additional videos of the chicken coop, reinforcement, and then rebuilding the shed, replacing everything, putting everything back. As you can see, this is a new placement now. And then we could just get it up and go. We have to take off on the Jag, you know, have some videos of it pull in. And you know, stay tuned. We gotta keep building. If you want to view it, you can view it. If you want to keep watching, you know, if you like the lifestyle, you do this, you're about it, you know, you keep up with it. We link up, you know, we have the same energy, whatever. I get it, we do it. So, but other than that, I get it's for certain people only. But I don't sit here and ask for GoFundMe, none of that. I don't need none of that. I don't ask for handouts, you know. So I do this myself and rebuild it myself and do what I can. So we keep going. Got crates.